welcome to OneClass live stream. This is Chang, and today we're going to talk about some common math problems that were asked. So let's get started. Okay, so our first questions today is asking us what is an angle bisector in geometry. Okay, so let me So angle bisector in geometry is a line or a line segment that divides an angle in half. So let's draw it in another color. The black line here, we have an angle, and the blue line here is an angle is a line segment that separates these two angles by half. So the angle here is the same as the angle over here. These two angles are the same. Since these two angles are the same, this blue line is called a bisector. So the word bi means two in Latin, and sector means separate. So bisector would be something that separates something else in half. And in math, especially in the context of geometry, an angle bisector would be a line that separates an angle by half. So yeah, that's what's called an angle or bisector in geometry, or specifically an angle bisector. Let's do another example. So this is another angle, and we have another blue line right over here. Would this blue line be an angle bisector? The answer is no, because in this case, these two angles, they're not the same, so they're not spread equally. So this blue line would not be an angle bisector because it doesn't separate the two angles in an equal half. It has to separate the angles in an equal half, and that's the definition of an angle bisector. Okay, and that concludes our first problem. And let's look at the sample solution over here on this side. So the angle solution, or the sample solution, not the angle solution. The sample solution on this side, it just gives the definition of the angle bisector like we did. It's a line or a line segment or a ray that divides an angle into two congruent angles or two equal angles. Okay, so there are interior angle bisector and exterior angle bisector. This angle bisector, or this blue line over here, is an interior angle bisector because it divides an interior angle. Okay, and it also states the angle bisector theorem, but it's not directly related to angle bisector, so we didn't explain it in our solution. But over here, this solution is correct, so let's just say, great job, great job. The solution is correct. Okay, and let's move on to our next problem.